Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. This recipe is dedicated to all those egg curry lovers. Trust me, those who don't know how to cook or this recipe is especially for the bachelors, you can prepare an amazing finger licking egg curry recipe. Watch the video till the end and you can have an amazing output. Now, first of all, take a bowl and add 6 eggs and add water into it and place on a stove on high flame and allow them to boil. On the other hand, take a pan and add 5 tablespoons of oil and add 8 to 10 green chilies chopped. Allow them to fry for 30 seconds on low flame and then add 2 large onions chopped. Now with the help of a spatula, you give it a quick stir and allow the onions to turn light golden brown color or till they turn smooth or soft. Once our onions are nicely fried, time to add our tomatoes. Here I have added 3 country tomatoes and 2 hybrid tomatoes. Why I have added country tomatoes is that country tomatoes give nice sour taste to the curry and takes the curry to another level. Now add a pinch of ginger garlic paste and give it a nice stir and close the lid and allow it to cook for 1 minute on low flame. That is where the rawness in the ginger garlic paste escapes, and with the help of the spatula you can just smash the potatoes and then add spring onions into it. Now here I have added 8 stalks of spring onions. I have cut into half a finger size of them and then I have added like this. Do not cut into small pieces, they'll get smashed. Now time to add salt, turmeric and then 3 tablespoons of chili powder and then give it a nice stir. Here I have added salt. You can add any salt of your taste. So once you close the lid and allow it to cook for 3 minutes on low flame, you can see the oil is separated from the ends of the pan. Now this is the time, give it a quick nice stir and then add 1.5 glass of water. I have taken a big glass here, so 1.5 glass of water you need to add it and give it a nice stir. Close the lid and allow it to boil. On the other hand, our eggs are all ready. See, the cracks have appeared on the outer coat. Now this is the time, turn off the flame, add cool water and remove the outer skin of the egg. Now once it is done, take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil and add all the peeled eggs into the pan and allow them to fry. Now some complain that the skin of the egg sticks to the pan and the egg breaks. Now what you have to do is, as soon as you add the egg into the pan, you need to stir it with a spatula so that the entire skin of the egg is coated with oil. Then only it won't stick to the pan and then the skin won't break. Now on the other hand, you can see that the gravy is all thickened nicely. This is the time you need to add eggs slowly into the gravy. See, it's all thick and nice and all done. So just dip the eggs into the gravy like this as I have done here. Do not over stir it. There are chances that you may break the egg. So just drop the gravy on top of the eggs and close the lid and allow it to cook for 1 minute on low flame. Then add pinch of roasted cumin powder and a pinch of coriander powder and again give it a nice stir and close the lid and just for 2 minutes on low flame cook it, and that's it. Add some more spring onions on top of it and that's it. You can serve this with hot rice or roti or naan or pulka. Trust me, with anything, you can have this amazing finger licking egg curry recipe. Trust me, you can try it and entire family can enjoy this. So you do give it a try and let me know how it turned you in the comment section. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.